you can, alright? Ready? Don't eat the peel. Peel the orange and eat the whole. Are you ready?
You said eat the whole thing.
Are you ready? Count down to 3 for me. 3, 2,
1.
go! Go, 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 go! Come on, give her. Go, 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 go! Oh, she needs business. Woo!
Come on.
Come on,
James, back up, that's not dangerous.
that's it. Okay. I won't get skirmished.
Leah.
Hey, see, look at all the fun you're missing back there.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, no.
It's a runaway orange. No, 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 no.
Mary, you're not supposed to let them escape.
I didn't try to. Oh, goodness.
Come on, Leah.
Oh, goodness. Yep, it's the orange. Pinky and the braid back there is going pretty fast.
One bite, Leah.
She's going.
Let them clean their hands, 1 and 2.
Yep, 1 and 2. I can do.
Me too.
There you go, sunshine. Sunshine. Thank you. Thank you for participating.
There are hand wash stations right there.